Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Honda VT1300 Interstate twin cylinder big bore cruiser. Really cool, long, sleek styling, satin black finish. This touring cruiser has floorboards, touring windscreen, locking side cases. It's got an awesome Mustang saddle, front and rear backrests for both passenger and rider, heel toe shifter, 6-speed, shaft drive. What more can you want? This thing is gorgeous. It's only got 9,000 miles. Price to sell it just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.